We're here with Lauren and Zach, and we're in the western North Carolina mountains. And we are so excited to show you their house. They just built a beautiful Century Oak farmhouse, and they are just now moving in. So we're going to get to see all the details, and we'll link everything for you too. Okay, now that we've recovered from the excitement of your driveway, and we're standing here, and it is so pretty. I'm loving this setting and everything that I'm seeing. So first of all, tell me what made you choose this floor plan?
I had a few things. I wanted the loft space, and I loved that it wasn't a closed off game room because I want to know what my kids are doing.
Yeah.
I wanted a window for a farmhouse. I was like, I don't want any of these plans that don't have a window over the kitchen sink.
Yeah.
I want a window over my kitchen sink. Like his grandmother lives on a beautiful piece of land with this old little tiny farmhouse with this big window over the sink, and that's just farmhouse to me.
Yes.
I wanted the open concept, but not too open. I didn't want like the whole, like the square box. It's all open.
One long room.
I wanted custom built-ins because we had some of those. So that was what, when I saw your plan, I was like, oh my God, this is perfect. It checked off every single box. It had the bonus, had a 3-car garage. That was everything I was looking for.
Yeah.
And all those architectural design, all those, I can never find one that fit. And I'm not an architect, and I didn't even know what I wanted well enough to just create it on my own. I could have gone to an architect, told them the things I wanted, but I didn't have enough guidance to tell them. So I was trying to find the right thing. And so then when you had the photos and stuff, because if I see things, I can create my own look, just like I did the kitchen.
Yeah.
So that helped me a lot to be able to do that.
That's good. Yeah. I'm so glad. It looks amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, we've stepped inside the house, and it's gorgeous. The paint color is simply white throughout. There's a few exceptions, but for the most part, it's simply white. By the way, I just want to mention that I am going to do a voiceover on this video because the audio that I took while we were taking the tour is just a little bit hard to hear in some places, so it was just easier to do this. Also, I want to mention that Zach and Lauren are just getting moved in and getting settled, and so not everything is the way they quite want it yet, but it's already looking so pretty. They stained the scissor trusses in the living room, and that turned out so pretty. It's a nice touch, and it adds a rustic warmth to the space. The floors are by Floret brand, and the color is Nakan, N-A-K-A-N. In the guest bath, the board and batten is painted Repose Gray, and the hardware is from Amazon, which I will link in the description here. And these doorknobs are absolutely stunning. We will link these as well. In the kitchen, Zach and Lauren chose to stain the island and the vent hood, which pairs so nicely with this gorgeous granite, which is called Antoinette. The cabinets are from Lowe's, they're Diamond brand, and the stain color on the island and the hood is called Buckskin. And the white cabinets, the color is just called White. The primary bedroom turned out so pretty with this very unique horizontal board and batten, and I absolutely love the warm wood ceiling. In the primary bath, they haven't decided yet if they want to do a tub. Since they are on a crawl space, they can add that later if they choose. Lauren and Zach are really enjoying the space in the his and hers closets. They found their dressers on Facebook Marketplace. The screen porch is so spacious, and I love the tongue and groove on the ceiling. And that fireplace is going to be so cozy when it starts to get cool out here, which it will up in these mountains. Back inside, the beautiful staircase is catching my attention. Let's go up. Zach installed the stair lights himself. This is their daughter's bedroom, and she isn't quite ready yet for a desk in the desk nook, so she has a dollhouse there for now. They framed the ceiling with a peaked vault and did V-groove on the ceiling. This pink paint is called Intimate White. They kept the sides of the dormer open to the room, creating these fun nooks on each side, which kids absolutely love. In the dormer area is the closet. This bedroom also has its own bathroom. Next, we have one of their son's bedrooms. This one is painted in Sherwin-Williams Evergreen Fog. I love this color. Again, they did pointed vault ceilings, which really looks fantastic. And I love this feature wall with this great trim detail. And now here is the other son's bedroom. It's in the center of the upstairs. And I am loving how wood tones are repeated throughout the house, and they just add so much warmth in every space. Here you see them on the ceiling. These last two bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath. She bought most of the vanities on either Wayfair or Overstock. This one has a blue limestone countertop. Zach and Lauren self-contracted their house, and they estimate that they saved about 30% by doing that.
If you'd like more information about owner building, be sure and check out the link in the description.